welcome to Life's Journeys, and in this episode we are doing a property tour of Encore in Las Vegas. Beautiful sister property of the Wynn. Awesome spot. Gonna do a bit of a walkthrough. I've stayed here once before, not staying on this visit, but just wanted to give you a chance to see what the property's like, get you oriented in case you ever do come and stay. You know, or if you're just on a visit to the city. Great hotel to stay at. So, you know, just something a little bit. We'll do a bit of a walkthrough. You know, start with a bit on the outside. Mind you, it's awful hot, so I'm not going to do too much of that. But you know, we'll get the outside, and then we'll get you in, and we'll do a walkthrough. I'm gonna just looking at the entrances here. I'm going to walk up to sort of the main valet entry, so you'll see it where you'd be driving up and going in for the first time. If you're, you can sort of see it up there in the distance. If you're walking in from the Strip, you'd probably come in through Wynn, and I'll show you at the end of it where that transitions over. So I'll just go off while we wait for this light to change. Okay, so we're gonna head into Encore, sort of through the main hotel entrance coming in off the Strip. Got some nice plants and stuff. I've always really liked the entryway here. It's got a great, you see the great porte cochere. The dome has the butterflies on it. You can spot that from this distance. But ever since Encore opened, they've had sort of this butterfly theme going on. And so you'll see it through all the decorating within the casino. It's a really spacious area for valet and drop off. And so let's head inside. It'd be good to get out of the heat. And the butterflies, very red theme. We come in the main entrance, just a little like coffee shop, cool entry.
And no occurrence at all.
Okay, that's all right.
Okay, yeah, if you can take a picture like.
So anyway, it was security guy stopped me. Not supposed to be taking shots of the casino itself. Anyway, here's some of the old Sinatra memorabilia that's here. This is from Steve Wynn's collection. Just a bit of a shot of the menu. Anyway, I'll turn this down off again as I go across the casino area. Okay, so we'll pick this up again. As I said, they weren't letting me shoot any video that would catch any of the casino itself, so just along the outside. So I'm going to try and keep this to the outer parts. So here we've got the entrance to famous Encore Beach Club. Your must stop if you're into day party and hanging out doing pool party stuff. It's a pretty hopping scene. I think they run it 3 days a week, and then they started doing one evening a week on I think Wednesday nights or something like that. And then the exits down to the strip. And I got to come back around at the poker room. Okay, and so coming out of the casino into the shopping area, I get another view of the pool and the exterior spots here. This Hermes. The shopping in this hotel is just over the top. And I see down the hall next up is there's Loro Piana and then Chanel. And then entrance to Excess. When it's open, this place is just jammed. But I think that for several years it's been the top grossing nightclub. Certainly Las Vegas, throughout the US, and I think one of the top grossing nightclubs in the world. Drake's got sort of a semi-residency going on there. So anyway, this is, as I said earlier, most of the time when you come into Encore, if you've been coming from farther down south on the Strip, you're going to come into it through Wynn. And right down at the end of this hall is the transition between Encore and Wynn. So what I'm going to do for now is I'll sign off this video tour of Encore. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did and you haven't already done so, please subscribe, give it a like. And also, with Wynn, watch for my other video. I will have a tour of Wynn also up on the channel. So thanks again for watching, and may all your life's journeys be everything you dreamed of.